Welcome! So with the Everest Forms Pro version, you can now view the analytics of your form entries in a graphical representation. The new dashboard analytic feature delivers you the statistics of your form entries in a very organized way. So, to view your data, open your dashboard and go to Everest Forms. Here, click on Entries and select the form whose data you want to see, and you'll be presented with a clean and informative dashboard. Now, let's go through everything that's in the dashboard. First, we have Form Selection drop-down. On the top left of your dashboard, you will see a drop-down option where you can select from different contact forms made with this plugin and see the data of that specific form. Second, we have day, week, month, date range. On the top right of the dashboard, you will see the time frame selected of which the entries data is being shown. By default, the data will be shown for the month. You can click on any option to see the data as per your requirement. You can click on day to see today's data, you can click on week to see the data of the week, and you can click on select date range to select a starting date and an ending date to see the data of the particular selection. This basically means that you can see the entries data of your contact form at whatever time frame you want. Next, we have total submission, complete submission and incomplete submission. In the screen, you can see three sections that shows the numeric count of your form entries. Here, the total submission will show you the total number of form submission that has been made through this form on the selected time frame. Similarly, the complete submission will show you the total number of completed form submission that has been made through this form also on the selected time frame. Lastly, incomplete submission. This will show you the total number of incomplete form submission that has been made through your form on the selected time frame. Moving on, next we have entries. This part of the dashboard analytics shows you the graphical representation of the form entries. Interestingly, you can change the nature of the graph at your convenience. You can switch to a pie chart or a line graph if you want the graph to display differently. You can do this by clicking the pie icon or the line icon inside the entries graph. Next, we have device breakdown. This section of the dashboard beautifully shows you which device was used to submit the form. In this section, you will get the number count for desktop, tablet and mobile devices. Lastly, one more thing. Scroll down and you can sort the entries by clicking on the column titles. And that's all you need to know for the entries dashboard analytics with the Everest Forms plugin. We'll see you in our next video.